What amazed me recently is learning that machines costing less than a phone in some cases can produce products worth thousands each month. I couldn't stop thinking about how practical that is for anyone wanting to start small. Today, I want to share 5 easy machines from China that can turn a tiny workshop into your own one-person factory. Block maker or brick making machine. Starting a one-person setup with this machine is very practical. The block maker is compact, simple to run, and designed to press raw materials like cement and sand into strong building bricks. Priced around $2,150 for single units, it becomes even cheaper when buying more, with costs dropping to about $1,480 per unit if purchased in bulk. For someone just getting started, even a single unit can handle small-scale production without needing extra labor. The business potential here is strong because bricks are always in demand. Construction companies, small contractors, and even individuals building homes all need a steady supply. A machine like this can produce hundreds of blocks daily, depending on the working hours. If you sell each block at a fair market price, monthly earnings could reach anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 after covering material costs. The best part is that customers usually buy in bulk, so one deal can clear a large batch of inventory. What makes this machine appealing is the low running cost. It does not require special skills to operate, and maintenance is minimal compared to large automated systems. You can start small by selling to local builders, then scale up by supplying bigger projects. The entry price of about $2,000 is relatively affordable compared to other industrial equipment, and the payback period is short because construction material sales generate steady cash flow. For someone aiming to launch a side business or a full-time one-person factory, this block maker is a solid option. It gives you a chance to tap into the ever-growing housing and construction market with an affordable machine that delivers consistent results. CNC Fabric Laser Cutter. This machine is designed for precision, cutting across a wide range of materials including fabric, acrylic, leather, MDF, and even bamboo. At a price of about $2,630, it is reasonably affordable compared to larger industrial models while still offering advanced performance. Its ability to handle both soft and hard materials makes it a versatile tool for small-scale manufacturing. From a business perspective, the opportunities are vast. You could produce signage, decorative items, customized awards, or even fashion accessories. Creative entrepreneurs also use it for promotional products like engraved gifts, logos, or branded merchandise. Since most of these items are sold at a premium due to customization, the margins are attractive. With consistent work, monthly earnings can reach $3,000 to $7,000 depending on how many clients you secure and the complexity of the jobs. One key benefit is how this machine reduces labor. The computer-guided system ensures accuracy and repeatability, which saves time and minimizes material waste. A single person can manage the full operation from design upload to finished product. That makes it ideal for small workshops or home-based businesses with limited space and manpower. Growth potential is also strong because custom cutting services can target multiple industries at once. Local advertising firms, event organizers, architects, and designers all need precise cutting jobs. By offering services across these sectors, you spread risk and maintain a steady income stream throughout the year. For a one-person factory, the CNC Fabric Laser Cutter delivers speed, accuracy, and a wide product range. It gives you a chance to enter high-demand markets with a single investment that can pay for itself in just a few months of steady work. Single-head embroidery machine. Adding embroidery to garments and accessories becomes simple with this compact machine. It features a computerized system that manages stitching accuracy, color changes, and speed automatically. Prices typically range between $1,699 and $3,650 depending on the working area and specifications, so you can start small or invest in a more advanced version. Profit opportunities are strong since embroidery is a high-value service. Local businesses order uniforms with logos, schools need crests, sports teams want branded kits, and individuals pay for personalized gifts. By charging per design or per piece, a single unit can generate between $2,500 and $6,000 monthly. Even small runs can be priced attractively, as customers often pay extra for custom work that stands out from mass-produced items. Running costs are minimal because threads are inexpensive and the machine requires little maintenance. The built-in software makes it easy to load designs and run orders without expert training. You can operate from home, accept online orders, and deliver locally or through shipping, keeping overhead costs low. Since embroidery enhances the look and perceived value of textiles, it allows you to set higher selling prices while keeping production costs under control. The real advantage lies in versatility. With one machine, you can create embroidered hats, shirts, tote bags, or even decorative home textiles. This variety helps build a wide customer base and ensures year-round demand. Thanks to its affordability and consistent return potential, the single-head embroidery machine is a smart option for a one-person business aiming for quick payback and steady income. Soap-making machine. For anyone looking to start small but enter a product line with constant demand, the soap-making machine is a reliable and profitable choice. This equipment, priced between $1,000 and $3,000, is designed to mix, press, and shape soap bars with consistent quality. It does not take up much space and requires very little technical training, which makes it ideal for small-scale production. The biggest advantage of this setup is the market demand. Soap is an everyday necessity, and customers buy it regularly in bulk. You can sell to local shops, beauty stores, or even directly to households. Depending on production capacity, a single machine can generate $2,500 to $6,000 monthly by selling basic soap bars at competitive prices. Earnings can go even higher if you specialize in premium products such as herbal or organic soap, which customers are willing to pay more for. Low running costs are another strength. Raw materials like oils, lye, and fragrances are inexpensive and easy to source. Because the machine handles the heavy work of mixing and shaping, one person can easily run the entire process alone. Packaging can also be simple, with paper wraps or printed boxes that add a professional look without adding much expense. There is also plenty of room to grow. By experimenting with colors, scents, and designs, you can create unique soaps that stand out in the market. Selling directly through local stores or online platforms increases reach and profit margins. With steady sales and low investment, the machine pays for itself quickly while creating consistent income. Starting a soap production business with a small machine is one of the most practical ways to build a one-person factory. Desktop injection molding machine. Small-scale plastic production becomes highly practical with a compact injection molding machine. This semi-automatic model handles up to 30 grams per cycle and is priced around $539, which makes it one of the most affordable industrial machines to start with. Its desktop size means it can be operated in a workshop or even a small home-based space without needing special infrastructure. The business potential is strong because plastic parts are used everywhere. With this machine, you can produce keychains, buttons, small casings, toy parts, or replacement components for gadgets. These products sell steadily in local markets and online, often at a high margin because they cost very little to make. Even producing just a few hundred items each week can generate $1,500 to $3,000 monthly if sold through the right channels. One clear benefit is the low entry barrier. Raw material pellets are inexpensive and widely available, and the machine requires very little training to operate. Since each cycle is fast, a single person can produce large quantities in a short time. Maintenance is simple as well, which helps keep running costs under control. Selling options are flexible. You could supply small manufacturers with parts, target craft businesses that need custom components, or create your own branded products for online shops. Custom molds allow you to make unique designs, which can attract higher-paying customers. By adjusting production based on demand, you stay efficient and reduce waste. For someone aiming to run a one-person factory, this desktop injection molding machine offers a smart balance of affordability, productivity, and profit potential. With its low investment cost and wide range of possible products, it creates steady income opportunities while remaining easy to manage alone. It's clear that one person with the right machine can build a steady income stream. If you had to start tomorrow, which machine would you choose first and why? Share your choice in the comments, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and tell me what topic you'd love to see in the next video.